64, some people in the country of Moldova have already retired. But Ivan hasn't given the idea much thought yet. He works as a global mission pioneer in Anininoy, where there is no Adventist congregation. As a pioneer, Ivan looks for ways he can help the people in this community. The first thing he did when he moved here was talk with local government leaders to see how he could serve the community. Local leaders provided him with a list of underprivileged families who needed food. So every few days, Ivan carries bags of food to homes throughout the community. This is just one way Ivan has developed relationships with people. When Ivan met Oleg about a year ago, he discovered that Oleg was suffering from health issues. Oleg's legs were losing strength and becoming discolored. At the time, he drank and smoked a lot. Ivan prayed with him and offered advice on how to improve his health. Every Sunday, Ivan conducts programs about healthy living that are open to the community. Oleg agreed to attend one program, and afterward, he immediately stopped drinking and smoking. He switched to a vegetarian diet, and because of his choices, his health has improved. Now he's able to walk everywhere and exercises regularly to maintain his leg strength. Sadly, Oleg's wife Alexandra was also experiencing health issues and is now partially paralyzed. She has spent months in this bed and is unable to move around. Ivan and his friend, Pastor Dmitry, went to visit and pray with the couple. After some discussion, their needs were apparent, and Ivan promised to bring them some items to help ease the challenges they face. His education and training in public health helps him assess people's physical needs along with their spiritual needs. After visiting Oleg and Alexandra, Ivan and Dmitry meet with Lydia, an active 80-year-old woman with an interest in health and wellness. She attended one of Ivan's health programs after a friend's recommendation and was eager to learn more. During this visit, Lydia wants to talk about spiritual health. Ivan and Dmitry are able to answer many of her questions through Bible study and discussion. They plan to meet again to continue to talk and study the Bible regularly. Global mission pioneers, like Ivan, place a strong emphasis on relationships. When a real relationship is made, a pioneer can have a greater impact on a person's life. It gives them the opportunity to introduce people to Jesus and make an everlasting difference. Ivan made sure to fulfill his promise to Oleg and Alexandra. He returned with a new mattress to help relieve some of Alexandra's pain from lying in bed. Ivan also wants her to feel free again, and a new wheelchair will allow her to move around in ways she hasn't been able to for months. She can't hold back the tears as she tries it out for the first time. The last few years of health challenges caused Alexandra to lose hope. She questioned whether anyone cared for her and her husband. But Ivan has shown her that there is a God who still cares for her. His actions have helped them accept Jesus into their hearts. Please pray for global mission pioneers like Ivan who are reaching their communities in fresh, exciting ways. Their efforts can not only affect people's lives today, but can also give them eternal hope in Jesus. Thank you for supporting Global Mission.